What's up, everybody? So this is Palm checking in, and we just found out about last minute open mic, so we're headed there. And we're at my friend Neil's house. He's a comedian. He does stand-up comedy. But yeah, so we're gonna head to Century College and probably perform this. So we're headed to Century, and we're stuck in a little bit of traffic. It's not as bad compared to like LA or Chicago, but Minnesota traffic still sucks. If you're from Minnesota, you know what I mean. But yeah, we're a little early too, so we'll probably get there in time. So when you need energy, you resort to 5-hour energy, and it actually works. It really does. So I'm about to take a few sips of this, and hopefully I'll have the energy to perform. Hey, we just got here at Century, and this is Weird Guy on stage with a dress. If you can see him, man, it's so weird, but not that I have nothing against it, it just looks weird. But we want to warm up right now. So we're at Century College, and we found Cicely and Putty.
Hi! Cool.
I'm doing these vlogs.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Don't put that up.
Yeah, so we're rehearsing right now, and I think I'm gonna do Just a Dream with Putty. So we'll see. Around, baby, I can't think. Should've put it down, should've got there. 'Cause it's feeling in the air. So put my fingers to her hair.
My lover, my life, my baby, my night. He left me, I'm tired, and I knew that it just ain't right. I was thinking about him, thinking about me, thinking about us. So we gon' be.
Open the eyes, it was only just a dream. So we travel back down that road. When she come back, no one knows. I realized it was only just. So our friend or my cousin that brought us here is Thomas, and he's preparing for his song. He's gonna be doing Beauty and the Beast, but I think he's a bit nervous. So what's up, Thomas? Yeah. Yeah. I was thinking about her, thinking about me, thinking about us, where we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So I travel back down that road. When she come back, no one knows. I realized it was only just a dream. I was in that one, and now I'm in the basement. #1 spot, now she found her a replacement. I swear now I can take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. Now she ain't around, maybe I can't be. Should've got that ring. My fingers to the head.
My lover, my life, my baby, my night. He left me, I'm tired, and I knew that it just ain't right. I was thinking about him, thinking about me, thinking about us. Who we gonna be?
Open my eyes, it was only just a dream.
So I travel back down that road. When they come back, no one knows. I realize it was only just a dream. When I be riding, man, I swear I see your face at every turn. Trying to get my eyes shut over, I can't let it burn. I just hope you notice you're the only one I yearn for. Oh, I miss him, and when will I learn? Didn't give him all my love, I guess. Now I got my payback. Now he's in the club, I'm thinking all about my baby. Hey, he was so easy to love. Wait, I guess this love wasn't enough. I'm going through it every time that I'm alone. Now I miss him, wishing he'd pick up the phone. He made a decision that he wanted to move on. I was wrong.
If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. Now they're gone and you wish you could give them everything.
If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. Now they're gone and you wish you can give them everything. Think about him, think about me, think about us. Do we gonna be? Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So travel back down that road. We should come back, no one knows. I realize it was only just a dream.
That's good. Yeah. It took me like a long time to figure it out. I just
So here's Jeff Kong, the brother of Sicily. Calling me it's kinda hard to talk right now. Honey, why you crying? There's Sicily and Paris. Yeah, it's really good. This is called vocal playing. Yeah, beatboxing, very talented. That is not music, it's straight from his mouth. Saying goodbye to everybody now.
Bye!
Give us your YouTube or what we could Twitter, anything.
My YouTube is youtube.com/laughwithpd. That's capital LAUGH, capital WITH, capital PADEE.
Alright, you guys got that? I'll probably post it, the link.
And go like me on Facebook.
For sure. Alright, Paddy.
Bye!
Yeah, that was Paddy. So after performing at Century, we're over here at the Winsong Cinemas. We're gonna watch Battle of LA, so hopefully it's a good movie. I'll give my reviews after we watch it. But yeah, so we're stopping at Mad Jack's to grab something to eat right now. Hopefully it's not too packed because it is a lot of cars, but yeah, we'll see. Hey guys, so we're getting Mad Jack's and I got some wings. It's like quesadillas, that's finished it off. Hanging out with the guys here. Really good food over here. So after a long day, I'm back home now. Performing at Century, to watching movies, just to hanging out with a few buddies, eating out. It was a fun day overall. And just a huge shout out to the ASA, the Asian community over at Century College, for just holding an open mic. And a huge shout out goes to Paddy Kong for just giving me the privilege to sing with her, although I failed miserably. And it was a last minute type of deal, but it was fun. So I really had fun over there. It was just good to see familiar faces, and yeah. And besides that, Battle of LA was a pretty decent movie. Go watch it if you haven't. But yeah, so until next time, I'm checking out. See y'all later.